Good morning. Instructional video on dosage calculations. Again, you will log on, go to your dash, go to the dark blue tile on the left under Swift River and select practice. That will take you to this page with the other blue tiles on it. Select dosage calculation. According to your assignment for the week, which you will find in Canvas under your clinical section, you will be assigned a number of scenarios depending upon where you are at in the program. The number of scenarios will be from 1 to 4 or 5, I believe. Types of administration for the higher classes will be all. For the fundamentals class will probably be just the PO dosage. So for this video and purpose, we will select all administration to start practice. So here you will select your patient, keeping in mind the rights of administration. Russell Montgomery is to receive Zithromax 300 milligrams oral solution at 2100. Select the patient, Mr. Montgomery. He is in room 301, 628, 1970, 628, 1970, correct medical record number, correct patient, enter the room. He's going to receive Zithromax 300 milligrams oral solution by mouth at 2100. The available drug is Zithromax 100 milligram per 5 oral solution. It's an antibiotic, immunological, and so we are going to administer how many milliliters. So this is where your dosage calculation comes in. If he needs 300 milligrams, it's 100 milligrams per 5 ml, so he needs 3 times as much, so you're going to give 15 milliliters. And then you hit continue. Select your supplies. You can give this either medication cup or oral syringe, but I believe for this program, you're going to say oral syringe. Oral syringe, you're going to give 15 milliliters. And if you decide this is not what you can use, then you can choose a different supply. However, this is it. We're going to go to 15 milliliters, or what we think is 15 milliliters, and then we're going to hit continue. Then it's an oral syringe. We're going to give it by mouth. He is going to swallow it, and we are going to administer. Second one is Chester Jones. He is to receive Cardizem 30 milligram tablet at 2100. Select a patient. Mr. Jones is in room 302. 2334, 2334. Medical record number is correct. Same guy. And we were going to enter his room. Cardizem is 30 milligram tablet available, and it's a calcium channel blocker, antihypertensive, cardiovascular system. So he has no known drug allergies. He has dementia, has a pacemaker. This is his pertinent information. So we're going to give 30 milligrams by mouth. It's a tablet, and it's Cardizem. The amount of Cardizem to administer, it comes in 30 milligrams. He needs 30 milligrams, so we're going to give 1 tablet. Supply type, we need a medication cup to put this in. And then we are going to give him 1 tablet. Continue. We're going to give it by mouth. He's going to swallow it, and we're going to give it. And there you go. We got 100% on that one. Then return to your dashboard. And that is the medication dosage calculation. So once you're finished with this one, you will go back to your dashboard and see what other studies you have to do for that day, and the videos will be out shortly. Have a great day.